nice welcome to Kumuhula, Kavika Mersberg, and hello, Kekiai o Kalamaku.
We are Halau Kikiayu Kalamaku, the keepers of the light and the knowledge of Kula, passed on to us from my teacher, Auntie Kapiolani Ha'o, passed on to her from her teacher, Uncle George Na'ope. We are pleased to be here in this great district of Kona, on the island of Oahu, the great sands of Kakuiheva. In this beautiful valley of Makiki, and the aina of Kewalo and Kaka'ako, and the great kai of Mamala. We are here pleased to entertain you all this evening as we tell you the stories of our kupuna. And the particular stories we like to tell this evening is the stories of Kene. This one is said to be the first hula taught to Hi'iaka by the hula maiden Kofoe, entitled Ke Ha'ala Kuna'i Kamakene.
Ai, Ke Ha'ala Kuna'i Kamakani. Ke
Ha'ala Kuna'i Kamakani. Ha'akalu halai ke'a, ha'a'ena me hopo, ha'akawai me ami'i, nana kuki'e, akulane awale'i, nana kuki'e. Ke'a'ala punai kamakani, ha'akalu halai ke'a, ha'a'ena me hopo, ha'akawai me ami'i, nana kuki'e, akulane ami'i, nana kuki'e. Opna kai ka e ka leo o ke kai ke kula ina puale wala nai kai o puna e abai le ami kai nana kuki'e ahutale awale nana kuki'e. na kuale wa na nai kai o poe a hawai ami kai unana ie a ulale awale kai na